Hello everybody and welcome to Friday Fabric Finds. This is for the week of February 9th, 2024. My name is Justin. I am a product adder and photographer.
And I'm Clint. I'm an inventory specialist.
And this is a series where we basically just go over the Friday newsletter and then go out into our studio and go find the fabric that's listed on the newsletter. So let's get started. First, we have our Friday bundle, Back in the Saddle. This fat quarter bundle includes 10 prints from our Ponderosa collection from Moda Fabrics. This fat quarter bundle is priced at $36.96. So if you're in need of any like cowboy themed group, definitely go check out this fat quarter bundle.
Also, we have our On the Range collection from Hoffman. It is a full collection, so we've got yardage, 31-inch panels, and fat quarter bundles with a panel. It is a cowboy themed group, so we're talking about horseshoes, rope, leather, barbed wire, and paisley patterns on browns and tans.
Next, we have Chroma Batiks from Moda Fabrics. This features the full collection yardage as well as fat quarter bundles and 2 quilt kits. We have the Feeling Crabby quilt kit as well as the Snow Tires quilt kit. This collection is Batiks. It has various pattern designs on a wide variety of colors such as reds, oranges, blues, greens, and purples.
Also, we have Quilter's Flower 5 collection from Henry Glass. It is a white on white group, so various patterns on white that are perfect for backgrounds, highlights, or even some contrasting pieces for your next project.
Next, we have Marrakech from Northcott. This collection features the full yardage collection as well as 24-inch panels, 10-inch squares, and 2.5-inch strips. This is a mandala themed group with colors ranging in blues, greens, yellows, reds, and oranges. Patterns are very geometric with some diamonds and stars. So definitely go check out this very vibrant and very cool collection.
On sale, we have our Going to Bali quilt kits with fabric from Destination Indonesia Batiks from Banyan. It's got some pinwheels in the pattern and some more warm colors like darker browns, deep reds, and some oranges. The kit makes a large quilt, 80 inches by 93 inches, so pretty good size. Normally that was $164.96. It is on sale for $99.96, so quite a steal for that one.
Next, we wanted to talk about our Valentine's Mystery Kit called Matters of the Heart. If you've never done a quilt along with us, every single week we do a specific block for the quilts. This kit started on January 22nd and it runs for 4 weeks. We just released week 3. This kit features Riley Blake's I Love Us collection. There are YouTube tutorials available, so if there's one part that you might be struggling with, definitely go check out those tutorials. Those will help you. We also have a Facebook group called Fort Worth Fabric Sewing Room, so if you'd like to meet some other quilters that are also doing the quilt along, definitely go join that group. These kits are priced at $78.96. Last thing I wanted to say, the patterns are free. You don't necessarily have to use the fabric that we have. You can use your own fabric and quilt along with us.
Also, we have monthly placemats and coordinates from Riley Blake. This collection has 36-inch panels and coordinating yardage featuring the months of March, April, May, and June. So we're thinking more spring, more summer, things that are floral and fruity, very colorful fabrics.
Next, we have Paleo Tales from Northcott. This collection features the yardage as well as the Quiltosaurus Rex quilt kits. This is a cool dinosaur collection that includes a 24-inch panel, all in colors of green, black, brown, white, and some blues. So if you're fans of dinosaurs, definitely go check this collection out.
And as always, we've got plenty of bargains up here. This February, we are updating our bargains daily with various remnants, other collections, some notions on occasion. Altogether, there's gonna be something good there.
Last thing we wanted to talk about under favorites, we wanted to highlight the full bolt special for the Grunge Basics Roasted Marshmallows. You get an entire 15-yard bolt at $157 instead of the normal $210. I would definitely say that is a huge steal. You get a bunch of blenders that you can use for any projects you might need. All right, and that does it for this week's episode of Friday Fabric Finds. If you enjoyed this, definitely leave a comment, subscribe, and like this video. We'll be back next week. In the meantime, I hope you enjoyed this week and see you later.